It's a little box I get from the cigar store. They had a bunch of them in there because apparently they do some kind of Kentucky Derby cigar special where they do like a 2-for-1 or something. So they had a bunch of boxes this time when I went. I got a couple that might make good ukuleles or little 3-string guitars or whatever. And I got this little box, which I am going to turn into a little music box. So I've got this music box mechanism. I don't have a key for it, but a drum key actually fits these. I did not know that until just a few minutes ago, that a drum key would fit that. So probably what I'll do is I'll put some little pocket or something in here for the drum key to kind of slip into and stay and live. You can hear how quiet this is on its own, but listen when you put it on a sounding board. But listen when you put it on a sounding board. So the idea here is I'm going to put some feet on it so that I can lift the mechanism up off of whatever you set it onto so that the sounding board will work. And yeah, this should be a cool little project, fun little thing to do for 5 minutes. Just another in a long list of things you can do with old cigar boxes. And I think you can order these online. You can get them on eBay, AliExpress, different places, I believe. I think you can even get these that play modern, like more modern songs, stuff that's not in copyright. They might not be legal, but and actually, if you wanted to take your time to actually carve a barrel like this, you could make one that plays anything you want, which could be kind of cool. That might be a really neat project for somebody to do. Get one of these and modify it to play something, I don't know, Pink Floyd or something, you know what I mean? Wouldn't that be cool? Okay, I think that's going to do it for that hole. Let's get a little hardware box. I think a couple of these little wood screws might do nicely. Yeah, I think that, yeah, it's going to come through to the other side, which I kind of don't want to happen. I'll tell you what, I'm going to get a little washer to pull that up off of the deck. So basically just put a little washer in between that screw and the deck right there. Try to lift that up a little bit. Okay, I'm not sure why that's so stiff. Okay, the reason it did that is because this little regulator mechanism right here, this thing, has come off its little mount. I think I'm just going to have to remove this again to fix that. Because see, like I say, that's loose. There's a little hole up here on top that it goes into, and then there's this little overarm thing that kind of you can bend to sort of regulate the pressure on that. And but the problem is it's not up in it. It's not up in the hole that it's supposed to go into. It's a little tiny hole that's supposed to go into. That little shaft is supposed to go right up in there. Right there. So we've got to get that to stay. Okay, so this is kind of bent backwards a little bit, so I'm going to bend it forward, and that hopefully will hold that in place now. Okay. Try to mount it. Okay. Okay, let's find some feet to put on this thing now. Those gonna be, I think those will be just tall enough. Yep. Okay. 4 feet on there now, and it should sit up off of the surface. I think right here at the top of this W, I need to drill a small hole.
That's all, folks.